everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today, in this very short video, I will show you how I use Firefly boards in my professional workflow. I have opened Adobe Firefly, firefly.adobe.com, and now I will show you how you can access to your boards. You can access to your boards through Create Workspace. Simply click on Create Workspace, scroll your page up, and here under Recent Stuff, you can see all your recent projects you were working on, including your boards. If you would like to start with a new board, you can click on this new icon, and from the pop-up menu, simply click on Boards, and voila, you will be ready to create a new board. Also, you can access to your boards through Ideate Workspace. Click on this workspace and voila. To be honest, I love this workspace. This workspace, it's like my creative space. You can start with creating your new board by simply clicking on Create a Board, or you can open your current boards you were working with. Here I have my board I created for you, so I will click on it just like that, and voila, this board is opened for us. As you can see, I have already opened a few images for us, so we can work with all these images. If you don't know how to open any of your assets in Firefly boards, you can do it by clicking on this picture icon, and you will be able to bring your asset from your device or from Adobe Cloud Storage. It's up to you. Now what I will do, I will select all my images in my board and I will position it slightly on top, just to have a better preview for you guys. I would like to start with this image. So what I will do, I will click on this image to select it, and I will scale size up just like that. To bring this image up front of all other images, I can do right click, and from the pop-up menu, I can click on bring to front, or I can click on three dots icon, more icon, and from same pop-up menu, I can click on bring to front, and just like that. Now, what I would like to do, guys, I would like to change color of her shoes from white to red. Sometimes, not sometimes, very often, when I finish my photo session with my client can come back in a few days later or months later and ask me, Victoria, can you change my sweater color, pants color, or shoes color? Now I can do everything much better and much faster. So, what I need to do to change her shoes color from white to red? I need to click on this generate image icon. I will click on it just like that. I will change my AI model. I will change to Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana, just like that. After that, I will click on this picture icon. Once I clicked on this, my cursor icon changed to the eyedropper tool. Using this eyedropper tool, I will click on my image I would like to work with, just like that. See, this image is my selected image. In the prompt or text area, you can name it as you like. I will type my prompt, change the color of the shoes from white to red. Double check your spelling. And after that, after you're happy with everything, also you can change your aspect ratio. It's up to you. I will leave it as it is. And I will click generate. Just like that. Nothing is too complicated. And voila, this is our new generated image. I will click on it, I will hold this image, and I will drag it into my canvas. Let me close. Look at this. This is the same image with red shoes. Now I can send this image to my client. How I can download this image? I can download it simply by clicking on this download icon. I can use export as option or download, just like that, and my image was downloaded, ready to be sent to my client, just like that. Now, what I will do, I will select both these images just like that, and I will scale size down, and I will move them on a side, just like that, because we finished working with them. Now, I have my image. I took this image in my studio. So what I will do, I will scale size up, and next to it I have another image I downloaded from stock with this all these clothes. Sometimes again, I'm correcting myself, not sometimes, very often before my photo session, my client or my model sending me outfit and asking me, Victoria, choose any outfit you like. And I have no idea. So now using boards, I can preview specific outfit on my model or on my client and tell them exactly outfit I like. So now, let me show you how we can do this. I will click on presets on this icon at the bottom of my screen and your screen as well. Simply click on it, and from presets library, guys, we have huge presets library. I'm looking for virtual try on, this one. I will click on it, and just like that, I have pop-up menu. My AI model, still Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana. First of all, I need to specify my subject. I will click on it, just like that, and I will click on my image because this is my subject. After that, I will click on clothing, and I will click on my second image, this collection of clothes, just like that. And after I specify my subject and my clothing, I will click on generate. And this is only what I needed to do. Simply click on it. And voila, look at this. I will click on the generated image and I will drag it into my canvas. Just like that. Look at this. This is before and this is after. Now I can preview all these clothes on me, on myself, or on my model, or on my client, and I will tell them exactly what they need to bring. That's awesome, guys. If you are a photographer and never tried boards, never tried a virtual try on, please do it right now. Now, what I will do, I will move out of our way all images we finished working with, just like that. We don't need these images anymore today. So I will move them on a side. And now I would like to show you something with huge wow factor. Let me click on this image with this open text, and I will scale size up for better preview. Let's say your client asks you to change this text. Guys, just look at this text. This text has a lot of details. Can you change this text to any other text? Of course you can, but it will take a lot of time. Now we can do it much faster and easier, guys. So I have selected this text. I selected this image. At the bottom of my screen, as always, I will click on Generate Image. I will change my AI model from Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana to Flux Context Pro, just like that. I will delete our previous image we worked with, just like that. And after I deleted it, I will click on this picture icon one more time, and I will select this image. Now, in the prompt area or text area, I will type, change the text open to the text closed. Just like that. Guys, you can change text to any other text. It's up to you, and it's up to your client. So after I specify my image, after I double checked my prompt and my spelling and everything like that, I will click on generate. And voila, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look, just look. Flux Context Pro preserves our text type and colors and everything and all these wires behind it. Look at this. Guys, this is incredible. In one click, basically in one click. If you don't like it, example, if you don't like L or D, you can click on generate again and Flux will regenerate it. Now let me move all these images on the side, just like that. And now I will show you something else. Let me select this image. I will scale size up as always, and I will bring it up front, just like that. Just like that. Now, what I would like to do, again, this is real life example. Very often, again, my clients are asking me to change the time of the day. Now, I downloaded this image from Adobe Stock, but let's say this is my image and I took this image during the day. But my client later on came to me and said, Victoria, I love this image, but I wish we were able to take this image during sunset or sunrise. Now I can tell my client, don't worry, I can do it for you now from my studio. How? Let me show you. So, once again, I will click on generate image icon, just like that. I will delete my previous image I worked with from selected image. I will change my AI model to Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana. And after that, I will click on this image icon one more time. After my cursor change icon to the eyedropper tool, I will click on the image I would like to work with. In the properties or text area, again, you can name it as you like. I will type, change the lighting to the sunrise, just like that. So I'm asking Gemini, I'm asking my AI model to change the daytime to sunrise. So let's see. After I specified my image I would like to work with, after I double check my prompt, I will click on generate. And voila, let's see. I will click on this image and I will drag this image next to my original image. Let me show you guys. Look at this. This is during the daytime, maybe lunchtime, maybe 2 p.m. I don't know. And this is during sunrise. Guys, look at this. We have these beautiful shadows. We have a perfect light in everything. This is sunrise. You can change time to the sunset or night. It's up to you. I love sunrises. Now, let's talk about something else. Again, I downloaded this image from Adobe Stock, but let's say I took this image. And again, same scenario, my client called me later on and asked me, Victoria, I wish or I need this image from the top down. Can you change the perspective? Guys, it's impossible. So my answer will be, yes, I can. Let me come back to your office and I will take another picture. By now, I can tell my client, don't worry, I can do it right from my studio. How? Let me show you guys. At the bottom of my screen, again, we have a generate image. I will click on it just like that. I will change my model, AI model, to Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana, just like that. I will click on this picture icon. Once my cursor change icon to the eyedropper tool, I will click on this image to select this image to let Gemini know that I want to work with this image. Now, in the prompt or text area, I will type very simple, change perspective to the top down. Nothing else, just very simple prompt. And I will click on generate. And guys, look at this. Just look at this. Gemini preserved everything, environment, her facial structure, her outfit, her hands position, and everything like that. Let me show you. This is before and this is after. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. I'm blown away. So I hope you will try changing perspective using Adobe Firefly board. Just do it. Just do it, and you will tell me later on. Thank you, Victoria. Now, let's talk about something else. I love working with product photography. I love it. So, let me show you, my dear product photographers, what you can do, how you can gather ideas in Firefly using Firefly boards. Let's say we have just a few products sent by our client, and we want just to gather idea what style we want or anything like that before actually we jump in our studio to and start our photo session. So what you need to do, you will need to select your image. In our case, this product, click on Vary, and from the pop-up menu, you can specify, do you want to keep style of this image, keep subject, or more like that? I would like to gather ideas about more like this image ideas. So what I will do, I will click on more like this, and this is only what I needed to do. And now, Firefly will analyze what I ask Firefly to do and will generate images to fill all these boxes with. And voila, look at this. Let me scale size up just like that and move my original image on the side. This is our original image, and this is what Firefly generated for us. Now I can see which image I like the most, which image I would like to recreate in my studio. If you don't like any some of them or all of them, you can regenerate it. But how you can organize this panel? First of all, you can click on any image and you can scale size up or down, or simply download it to your drive. Also, you can select some rows and you can just preview just like that. See, if you want to delete any of those images, example, I don't like this one, I will click on this one and I will simply click delete, just like that. So guys, this is very helpful option to gather idea before your product photo session. Try it now, and I can guarantee you will love it. Now let's talk about this. Let's say you took picture of this person in your studio, and later on your client came to you and asked you to do something else with this image because they decided to use this image as their campaign image. Example, let's change background of this image. Before Firefly boards or before Firefly, we needed to bring this image in Photoshop and so on. Now we can do everything inside Firefly board. Let me show you how. First of all, what I will do, I will click on generate image icon, just like that. I will click on this image icon. When my cursor will change icon to the eyedropper tool, I will click on this image to let my AI assistant know that I want to use this image. I still have Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana AI model selected. This is fine. I want to use this model. In the prompt or text area, I will type, or in my case, I will paste. Change the background to the city street, just like that, guys, just like that. And I will click on generate. And voila, look at this, guys, look at this. In one click, let me close this. In one click, we have completely different image, like woman walks on a street. But if you would like to change it, if you would like to try another city or some specific city, you can do it as well. But I'm happy with this image. By the way, guys, let me show you. We have here a button, remove background. You can remove background from any image inside Firefly boards. Or if you would like to upscale your image, you can do it right here inside your Firefly board just by clicking on this icon, upscale with Topaz Labs Bloom, just like that. But I would like to show you something extra. Guys, just look at this. So my client likes this image, but my client loves pushing me further and further. And now my client came back to me and said, now I want this woman waltz on the street. Oh my God, how I can do this? Very, very, very easy. So let's do this. This image is selected. At the bottom of my screen next to generate image, you have as well, generate a video. Just click on it, just like that. And here we have composition, first frame and last frame. I have only first frame, so I will click on first frame icon. I will click using my eyedropper tool on the image I want to animate, just like that. I will specify Firefly video and I will use my prompt. Which prompt I will use? A woman walks on a street, just like that. Nothing more. And after I double check my spelling again, I will click on generate. And voila, look at this. Let me bring this image to my board. And look at this, guys. Just like that, guys, just like that. Let me show you. We came from this image to this image. Let me bring it up to front too. From this image to this video, guys, and look at her outfit. Look at her hair, sunglasses, her shoes, and everything like that. Everything preserved, guys, from this to this. How you can download it? Very simple. Just click on this download icon and you're ready to go. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support. And again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate, just ask. I'm here to help. Thank you so much and I will see you very soon. Bye.